Just in these past 5 or 6 years, we've been in this game for 13 years, if you can believe it, providing operational technology, cybersecurity solutions and services to our customers. But what we've seen recently is the attack landscape, as you had mentioned, has changed. It's gotten a lot more specific, less drive-by, more tuned or specific to industry verticals or even to end users themselves. And based on that, a major rise in compliance criteria mandates, in some cases being mandated by the government. And what that has subsequently done is created a budgetary requirement to be carved out for cybersecurity and the level of maturity from a security perspective to grow quite substantially from our customers' perspective. So because of that, that need, that desire to consistently keep up with what's happening and in some cases try and even get ahead of it, we're seeing an advanced requirement for people, process, and technology to consistently evolve. And the real heavy focus is on what are we doing in that digital transformation space inside of our customers' network infrastructures from a technical perspective.